I'm Jay, and I want to give you an overview and instructions on how to install the magnetic baseboard heater covers. First of all, I just want to go over a standard size baseboard heating unit. This is pretty standard 3-foot unit. They run about 7 1/4 to 7 3/4 tall. They tend to be like 2.5 to 3 inches deep. The faceplate here will tend to run 4.5 to about 5.5 inches. And the top plate here will probably run anywhere from 1 1/4 to about 2.5 inches. And they run in different lengths. They come in 3, 4, 5-foot sizes, and we have covers for all of those. So let me get to the covers that we make. This is the top plate for the cover. If you notice, we have our decorative fence right here. Once again, in my instructions, the fence does come in separate pieces. That's on purpose. That's just simply how I get it, how I get my materials in. And sometimes you may see a piece of tape running along the bottom here. That is for shipping. It's also to help hold it together. It doesn't need to be there. You can remove that if you want to, or you can leave it on. On the reverse side, you'll notice we have the magnets here, and we have the corner brackets, which are adjustable. So that can help with the end caps, and I'll explain that in a second. The next part we have is the faceplate. This is obviously the front side. Here is the reverse side showing the magnets. And lastly, we have the 2 end caps. Very simple on the side, and then obviously we have the magnets right there, and we have this end cap, which I had to modify for the pipe. And once again, you are welcome to modify any part of the system to make it work on your baseboard heater unit. So let me get to how to actually install this. So the first part you put on is the top plate. So you take a look at the corner brackets. I'm going to snap it on right between the corner brackets. I create these in which the decorative screen and the corner brackets run, in this example would be 36 1/4 inch. The 1/4 inch is going to give you a little bit of wiggle room here. That's done on purpose. Next, you want to get to the end caps, and they just simply attach to the corner brackets. So you put them on the side, they snap right onto the corner bracket, and this one obviously will fit over the pipe. And then I'll bring it over to the side, and again, it'll snap to the second corner bracket on the side there. And then, lastly, we have the faceplate. What I recommend doing is maybe starting with one side, attaching it to one side, come up to the other side. You may have to pull off the end cap a little bit, but it'll snap on. And with anything that's magnetic, it can move, it can slide, it can adjust. So I'm just going to adjust this to try to level it off. And there you go. The cover is installed. It doesn't take very long at all. Just one final thing, please take a look at the measurements of these covers. Please measure carefully. Unfortunately, we don't have refunds if it doesn't fit or if it doesn't look right. So just please be careful when you measure. Any questions, feel free to email or call me. And thank you very much.